So first what you do, you take this string, that's the biggest, not this one, and then you put it around here, around your finger. Then the one in the back, you take and put it over the one that you just looped. And then you got it. And then it hooks. And then when you do it like this, then pull your finger like this, and then it will tight, and then just pull a little more. But if you pull it too tight and you can't really put it on, so I suppose you put it tight like that, and then you can put it on. So yeah, and that's how you crochet. And this is how it's going to turn out. And this one is change colors. That one is not change colors. It's just blue. And I finished the whole thing of that. Now I'm going to finish the whole thing of this. This one. Because I already finished that one. See, it changes color. Purple, yellow. Or yellow, purple. And this string has this, and that string, I'll show you. This string is the same. You see this, and then you see this. It's the same, it's just not the same color. This one is yellow, but this one is all yellow and purple. That's it. And when it's like that, it's kind of like greenish, brownish right here. Because it changes color. But if you like have this much string, it's gonna take up a lot of space. So we'll say right here is what you're gonna use. Right here. So when you do it, you're gonna be crocheting and crocheting and crocheting, then you only have a little. So I suppose you cut a long string. So you wrap, if you want to do a bracelet, then you wrap your finger like maybe 4 or 5 times, and then you mark it or you tie it, then you go over to there. Or if you want to do a necklace, then you could just do this, and then you, but the necklace is harder because you can't really put it around your neck or else it'll choke, so you're gonna have to ask your parents to do that. So thank you for watching my video. Bye. Peace out. Thank you. Bye. Peace. What's this?
I love you.